Hello there, welcome to this product spotlight and demonstration. My name's Krish, I work for Hamar Company Limited and I'm the International Account Manager. Today we're going to be talking about the Gedore TSN 25D preset torque wrench. This tool will revolutionise the way that you work, increasing productivity and utilising the way that you work. So whether you are a professional or a student, this tool will revolutionise the way that you work and will become your ultimate companion. It's a preset slipping torque wrench which has a 1/4 inch square drive with a torque range of 5 newton-meters to 25 newton-meters and is suitable for safe electronic component assembly because the tool is EPA compliant for use in electrostatically sensitive areas, ensures accurate process control by eliminating under and over tightening due to its torque slipping mechanism. This preset torque wrench reduces the likelihood of warranty and rework by assuring process control through accurate and repeatable torque setting due to its tamperproof adjustment system. And it adheres to ISO 6789 class equal 2C. Thank you for joining us today for this product spotlight on the Gedore TSN 25D tool. If you would like any more information on this item, please do feel free to contact one of our members of staff here at Hamar Company Limited, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for joining us, and you have a productive day.